Everyday interaction with your child is not just a routine. It is an opportunity to shape how they think, how they choose, and ultimately how they live their life. Think about this. You take your child to a mall and suddenly their eyes light up. Toys everywhere, colors, sounds, excitement, and then it begins. Mama, I want that. I want this. I want everything. Now, pause for a moment. What do you usually do in that situation? Do you get irritated? Do you say, no, we don't have money? Or do you avoid going out with them altogether because it becomes stressful? If yes, then this is exactly where learning begins, not for the child, but for us as parents. Before reacting, ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Is it fear that your child is becoming too demanding? Is it worry about unnecessary spending or frustration? Because this happens every single time. Once you become aware of your own emotions, you can respond better. Because this moment is not just about buying or not buying. This moment is about teaching your child how to think. And one of the most powerful lessons you can give them is understanding the difference between need, want, and desire. A need is something essential, something that supports growth, like a school bag, books, a pencil box, or even a badminton racket if it helps them stay active and healthy. A want is something we like but we can live without, maybe a toy because a friend has it, or something that simply looks attractive in the moment. And then comes desire. Desires are deeper, but they don't always need to be fulfilled immediately. They can wait. In fact, delaying desires builds patience, discipline, and emotional strength. Now, here is the important part. When your child asks for something, don't shut them down. Don't say this is useless. Instead, involve them in thinking. Ask them gently, is this something you need or something you want? How will you use it? Where will you keep it? Will it still matter to you after a few days? You will be surprised. Children are capable of understanding much more than we think. And sometimes it's okay to say yes to a want, but with awareness. You can say, let us plan for it. Let us save for it. Give them a small amount regularly. Let them put it in a piggy bank. And after a few months, let them buy what they wanted. This way, you are not just buying a toy, you are teaching them value, patience, and financial awareness. And one more thing we must be very careful about. Today's children are constantly influenced by ads, by videos, by what others have. Sometimes, what they want is not even truly theirs. So teach them to pause and ask, do I really like this, even if nobody else sees it? Or do I want it just to show others? Because if they grow up trying to impress the world, nothing will ever feel enough. But if they learn to choose from within, they will always feel content. So the next time your child asks for something in a mall, don't see it as a problem. See it as a moment to build awareness, a moment to build character, a moment to raise a thoughtful human being. Because in the end, we are not just raising children, we are shaping future decision makers. Thank you.